This is test 1. Okay, this is position 1 on the helmet. Ooh, the geese are coming in to land. We're riding around here. It's Cuyahoga Community College. It's a community college up here in northeastern Ohio. Beautiful campus. Yeah, went here, got my associates. Computer systems. Oh, wow. Okay, we got pedal assist 1. It's pretty hefty. We're going 9-10 miles an hour. Okay, we're gonna hook back this way past the pond. Wow, you gotta remember, as soon as you start pedaling again, going around a turn, that kicks in, man. It kicks in big time. Ooh, kind of breezy out today. I just wanted to get out and do this test. It's about 38 degrees with a slight breeze, so it's kind of chilly. But again, I wanted to get out and do this test for the video, for upcoming videos and travels. We're getting into the winter here in Northeast Ohio. Squirrel over there. And during that period of time, you can't really get out. There's either ice or snow. And if it's the ice and snow, it's the cold weather that gets you. Okay. Gonna kick it up to pedal assist 2. In 7th gear. That's not that bad. It definitely lets you know it's there. They have a fire training academy over there. That's where all those buildings are. Well, I got a whole 2 miles on it. Yeah, that sun's nice. Let's go up this way around the front. I want to come back around the fountain. Okay, let's see what just throttle gives. It gives you a kick too. Excuse me. I did say it was cold. That's the automotive training facility over here. We'll go around the back part. We used to call this in high school a shop. Shop department. Okay, I haven't done this before. Let's go up to pedal assist 3. Oh yeah, it kicks in. Go around this way, they've got the baseball fields, soccer. Kind of nice out here. Yeah, I haven't been able to get out as much as I wanted. I don't know if I've ever mentioned it before in my videos, but I'm going to be 74 in January. And I figured this would be a nice way to get out and get some exercise. I mean, I'm still working part-time. Okay. That's what happens when you take the turn a little too slow. Okay, let's get up there. And you don't gear it down before you do the turn. Yeah, buddy. Okay, back on the path. And I think this is enough of a test. It seems like it's getting cold. It's a Sunday, so there really are no students here. I believe there's some maintenance people in the building. it quits because my fingers are going numb. Yeah, the fountain isn't on. Probably freeze up like crazy. So we need to go around this way, huh? One way. Okay, all the geese out there. Back. I think that's enough of a test for me. Okay.